accounts. Write down to open. We need to open three sessions. First, open FS00.
है क्या बोलते सो एग्जाम
Sorry. Hello. Open one more session.
गलती गलती से वो
अच्छा. Open one more session. /O FS00.
SOFSW
Here we will change the company code to 1678 to create some general ledger accounts. So
यहाँ
the
पे
place here, here, here you can write down 1678.
1671
Okay, now we will go to current asset others. Open this folder by arrow. Okay, right click prepaid expense. Right click on it. Copy. And the below change the company code to 9191. So we are creating some general ledger accounts.
Okay.
Okay, they have deleted our chart of accounts. Do you have Excel sheet?
Yeah.
Okay, go to OBD4.
This right. यही वाली बात कर रहे हैं ना?
Yes.
Okay.
No, not like this. /O OBD4.
यहाँ से डिलीट नहीं आ रहा.
Click on new entries. Okay, now
वो पेस्ट
you
करना है.
can copy paste from this. ये तो 5151 है. Our is 9191. Change it.
कर देते हैं. ठीक है जी.
Okay. Control S. Enter. Okay, you can go back to the previous session again, FS00 session. You have already opened up below. Click on SAP icon. You will find it there. Okay,
Which
go to
which
the
है?
assets others. बस ठीक है, now we are here. आपने नाश्ता किया? नाश्ता किया आपने? आपने नाश्ता किया? देख लो, नहीं तो बना लो, पता नहीं कितने बजे उठेगी वो. गोली खा के सेब खा लिया था तुझे बुला. बना लो और क्या. कितने बजे उठेगी, ऑर्डर करेगी, 1 घंटे में आएगा. एडवांस टू वेंडर, राइट क्लिक. और दही दे दो सब. कॉपी. Click on yes. Yes, yes, yes. After this, we need to click save button also. Okay.
हाँ।
So we are creating advance to vendor GL account. Click on save. Then secure deposit to vendors. Okay, now come to the current liabilities section below.
Oh shit, I saved.
हम्म,
इसको चेंज करना है?
क्यों? ठीक तो है। एक काम कर लेते हैं।
अच्छा।
ऑलरेडी क्रिएटेड।
अच्छा। अच्छा, नहीं मुझे लगा इसी में कुछ बोल रहा था। करंट लाइबिलिटीज में आना है, ठीक है, वो सेव कर लिया।
बिलो। यस। कॉपी फर्स्ट टू, not retained earnings. Copy. Yeah. First advance from customers. Copy. Below change it to 9191. No need for retained earnings. We will create this later.
हम्म।
After this, you can go to the sundry creditors below.
सेव।
And you save then sundry debtors.
अच्छा, ये सब क्या है सर?
GA general ledger account. Once we will go to the end user training, we will learn how to create GL account. Right now, we can copy some GL account so that we can allocate easily. How to create this, we will learn later. Sundry credit debtors also done.
यस।
Okay. Now you can change the company code. One time fresh, refresh.
हम्म।
Now change it 9191. Okay. Oh, sundry debtor has not come.
क्रेडिटर ही कराया था जैसे, डेटर कराया ही नहीं।
Debtor भी करना
अच्छा, तो वापस जाए इधर से।
है। ऐसे वापस चले जाओ।
आगे।
Okay. Open sundry debtors.
जी सर।
Go to OBXR. Write down this code.
ओ बी एक्स आर। ओके।
Double click on a down payment. Enter. So the first one, reconciliation account, you will put for customers.
वो क्या डाले सर, यहाँ पे क्या वैल्यू डाले?
FS00, check in FS00, the GL account of sundry debtors.
स्टेबल से उधर, अच्छा चेक करना है फिर से।
जी।
विंडो कैसे चेंज होती है सर? ये इसमें तो कई विंडोज खुली हैं ना।
हम तो आप क्या करेंगे, इसके अंदर जो बटन होता है आपके कीबोर्ड में नीचे, चेंजिंग द स्क्रीन बटन, सेम बटन पे जाते हैं जैसे कि विंडोज में
ये
ऑल टैब है।
ये
यस।
नहीं नहीं, इसमें ये इस तरह आता है, सही याद आ गया। अच्छा, इधर चले जाते हैं। या और भी तो थी स्क्रीन। क्या क्या खोलने को बोल रहे थे सर आप, सॉरी?
नहीं, मैं यही कह रहा हूँ कि गो देयर एंड चूज द सी व्हाट इज द सन्ड्री डेटर्स अकाउंट वी नीड टू एलोकेट हियर।
टू द सेम स्क्रीन।
Yes. Here we okay, open the mirror. I can tell you, show you. We can also do from here. Open this mirror, reconciliation account mirror. Press enter. Choose sundry debtors.
क्रेडिटर्स है खाली है।
Debtor नहीं आया. Go there in FS00 section, create sundry debtors.
FS00।
Hmm.
सर ये डायरेक्ट किसी विंडो से FS00 पे जाना है तो कैसे करेंगे?
Slash n or slash o. But you
ओके
already
तो
have opened FS00
हाँ हाँ,
session.
अभी
So, deal.
दिस इज टेकिंग टू मच टाइम।
Sundry debtors.
हुआ बता।
91,
ओके, नहीं
90.
सर, हमने हमने को वो किया हुआ था ना इसको। हमने एक कंपनी चेंज की हुई थी तो उसी से को को देखे ना, खाली एम्प्टी है सारा डाटा। तो इसको कैसे रिमूव कैसे करेंगे इसको?
नहीं, remove जो करना है. We can fill this up. Double click on this sundry debtors. Now click on arrow. No, 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 I'm not saying this. Click on refresh button. Close this. Okay. Now, yes, open the arrow. Double click on accounts receivable. Now, okay. Close this and then write down slash and FS00. It is coming. And the code is 200 300. Go to the next section and write down 200 300. Go to the
हाँ,
OBXR section below. It is already opened with you. Click on SAP icon. Press the control button and then click on SAP icon. Yes. Here write down 200 300 and go up line, not this line, up line here. Yes. Open the mirror and choose advance from customer. Enter. and Control S. So we allocated the GL accounts of advances from customer and accounts receivable together because these are special general ledger transactions. Go back one time. Now double click on C, security deposit. No, 200300 is the reconciliation account.
अकाउंट रिसीवेबल है ना, 2000300।
Yes, 200300. And in the next, you will choose security deposit from customers. Save. Assalamualaikum. Now we can go to vendors slash NOBYR oi. Slash NOBYR.
जा नहीं रहा।
First, you will click on A.
वो भी वायर हम डायरेक्ट डाल देते हैं। अरे यही स्क्रीन है।
Double click on A. Down payments. Enter. So first, you will choose sundry vendors, creditors,
100 credits, 10700, 1000700।
and then you will choose advance to vendor. Now you can click on B. First, sundry creditors.
सिक्योरिटी डिपॉजिट टू वेंडर।
Yes.
सर ये थोड़ा सा एक्सप्लेन करेंगे क्या चल रहा है जरा? किस
This
तरीके
is
से?
we are assigning special general ledger transactions. For example, to the customers, we are getting advances and security deposits. So we are allocating accounts receivable account with them so that when we will be doing the end user entries of
हम्म,
advances from customer, the
हम्म,
account will be current liabilities. But the good thing under SAP is that we have done this process. So you can see that from which customer you have received the advance. Whereas in normal ERPs, you cannot see this. Same way with the vendors. In normal ERPs, advance to vendor is going to the current assets. You cannot see the vendors, but here you can see that to whom vendor you have given the advances. And same way for security deposits. Otherwise, for advances and security deposits in normal companies, we are maintaining the Excel sheet also. But in SAP, there
हम्म,
is no need because SAP is telling you advances from customer sides and vendor sides, and it is also showing you which customer and vendor they belongs to. So we will see this in the end user. We will perform the transactions of advance from customer, security deposit from customers, then advance to vendors and security deposit to vendors.
हम्म। ये सारे we are creating accounts for them basically. We are linking them.
We are linking the accounts, yes.
Okay. And what is this DPCA written in the name column?
A stands for vendors.
अच्छा, DP down payment for current account assets.
This is separate
Down
thing. Like
payment.
if you want to choose any two, you can choose. So we are
No,
choosing
what?
A.
Why we especially went for A and B? Like, what is the?
You can choose any other thing also. So it's not fixed that you can go with A, but I'm going with A because SAP is recommending. You can go
Vendor
any with
payment request.
allocate.
Okay, we can go to any and allocate. It's fine.
Yes. Yes, because these are standard SAP settings.
A and B. We will be going with A and B.
A and B, yes, because
But
it is easy and SAP
support
is also
different
recommending it.
transaction, right, Mr. Karim? That down payment request and vendor new.
Sorry?
But there's some categories here, right?
No,
Based
these
on.
categories has no connection. Like you cannot say that request mean it is for request, stock means it is for request. They just created the name. That's it.
Okay.
Hmm.
Because I can see that amortization and stocks also, they are like,
Yeah. So they
um,
have just created the name. You can put anywhere. But SAP is recommending A and B and A and C. So
so it
that
will
is why
apply to
I'm
all the
using those.
categories, right? Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Now, if you want to see, right now, no need. Let's go to the end user, then we will see in detail because it is belongs to our end user training.
Okay. Perfect. So we'll be proceeding. In short, we'll be proceeding with A and B. SAP recommendation.
Yes, SAP
Spatial
is
gen.
recommending.
So what is it? Spatial general
Special general ledger indicator.
indicator. Okay. Perfect. So 20 A and B. This one define accounts for cash discount ticket.
Hmm. So go to this above icon, message, allocate this GL account.
OBXU.
Okay.
2.2 OBXU. जी सर.
Yes. So first click on save.
Save.
Yes. Now
Okay.
go to the FS00 session and copy the account.
Zero session. यही यहीं से कॉपी करना.
No, 1678.
1678 से करना है.
Yes.
कैसे करंट अकाउंट.
Go to financial gains. Hmm. Copy paste all. Control C or right click, copy, change the company code in the last one, 9191.
ऑल।
Hmm.
ये क्या हो रहा है सर?
We are copying the GL accounts. No need for revenue here. No need for
ओके।
revenue. Okay, so cash discount receive account is 300, 300. You can allocate.
ओके। कैश डिस्काउंट। ओके।
Okay,
डन
click
सर।
on save. Save is done. Okay.
सेव्ड सेव्ड। या।
Okay, first topic, you are not allowed to go to there. Okay, because it is SAP ABAP setting. And then the next one we can do maintain payment program. This is banking configuration. So we have finished general ledger, accounts receivable, accounts payable, and now we are going with banking.
ओके। 10 minutes।
FBZP 3.2.
3.2। एफ बी जेड पी।
Very big company code. We need to do so many settings here.
ओह।
First of all company codes.
क्लिक ऑन ऑल कंपनी। ओके दिस।
Mhm.
पोजीशन।
Position 1678. Select this line from the gray button left side.
ओके।
Click on copy. Change it to 9191. So now we are starting our banking configuration. And in the control data, it is asking either your
अब यहाँ
company is
पे
a
चेंज हो।
yes, यहाँ पे भी change कर. Either your company is a sending company code or a paying company code. Okay, sending
सर
company
वन
code means. Hmm.
सर वन क्वेश्चन। like we are copying the data from here, it's fine, but when we'll be provided with the actual scenario, like we have to create, so what things we have to input, like how we'll get to know, because these are this company is all pre-designed and we are just copying from here, but like how will be the
So there are two
real
ways.
scenarios?
In the real scenario, if you get a job by a SAP consultant, I have
Hmm.
said previously also there is the company code 0001, 1000, 1700, 2505. They are available everywhere. And if you are more expert, then you don't need SAP companies, then you can come here with new entries and create by your own. So either you become such an expert where you don't need SAP companies and come into every profile by new entries and create it. And until the
Hmm.
time you are not becoming expert, copy from any previous company which is already been accepted by SAP. So that is why 1678 I am copying from there because it is my previous company. Okay, and
Okay,
for you, if
but
people
what are
don't know
the
anything,
real? Yeah, but what about these, like the company, like okay, we are doing, we're giving this service as a consultant to some company, but they want some changes, or they don't want according to that, or the shift is there. So like
for example,
there are
where
situations
you
like
want,
this.
for example, where you want to make a change which SAP has something and you are saying, oh, no, 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 no. I want to make a change. So we can discuss particular to that topic where you want to make a change.
I'm just asking
So right now,
about
whatever
any
we have
example.
done, right now, whatever we have done, these are the standard settings. If you will not do this, your company will not be able to operate.
Okay, these are
So
the
the next
standard
things
settings,
are
and we have
coming up.
to take this.
Yes. Either you think that you will create a standalone,
Mhm.
a new ERP in the SAP. Same way, you need to have all these things. हमें ये उसका बारे में ध्यान
Mhm.
oh. And if you want to make the modifications, then we will go to the end user things, and there you can decide what kind of modifications you can do. Okay.
Okay, but my question is,
According
there
to
are
each particular topic and screens.
hmm,
Now, for
like
example,
if
this
there
is a
is any.
screen.
Mhm.
Yeah, because the requirement comes from the client side.
Exactly,
So
exactly.
client
My
should be
point
well
that if there
educated
is.
enough that he can say that, okay, I want this request. So can you do this request? So first of all, what is the request?
Hmm.
Okay, now for example, if we talk about this screen is saying we are going to do the banking configuration. What is your paying company code? Paying company code means a company who is making the payment. Now, what does a client say? I don't want a paying company code. I don't want to make any payments. No, it means this is a standard setting. So
Yeah,
we
standard
will see
settings.
your
Perfect.
request. Yes, we will see your request. If you tell me that, okay, I don't want these settings, but first of all, understand all the basic settings, come to the end user, and then
Mhm.
we will see that what kind of change you want and what kind of the things which SAP has and you don't like.
No, no, but they will be
Okay.
notifying everything they if they want change according to their
Yes. So
requirements, they
if
will
you are
be.
implementing SAP, you need to accept everything from SAP side. And if
And
you are
when
this,
and when we
no,
are
no,
doing
no.
actual configuration, like live configuration for any company, then we'll be taking those codes which you told, 11000 and all
Yes.
for the
So
standard data. Okay.
before
And
your
one more
batch, yes,
question.
I did this because
Okay,
we
because you
were
did
using
already
SAP
this one.
now. Yeah.
Yeah. And for this paying company code, like there are group companies also, correct? So there, how we will be working on this thing, paying
There is a
company code
separate
according
module.
to.
You don't need to do. There is a separate module, SAP Business Planning and Consolidation. So grouping, budgeting, consolidation, they need to do all these things. You don't need to do. You are FI guy.
Okay, so we'll be doing for one company only configuration.
Yes, we are doing the configuration for only one company. So if somebody gets registered for SAP BPC module, he will be learning how to connect one or two or more companies all together and what are the settings. It is a complete module, SAP
But we
BPC.
can do that after we are done with this only, right?
No, I don't know that module. SAP BPC, I have no idea.
Uh, Perfect. Thank you so much. So now we'll
Okay.
proceed with paying
So first of
saving
all,
this.
your target should be to understand SAP, what SAP
Yeah.
settings are, because I'm in SAP since 2014. I have provided trainings to many big companies. Nobody has
Mhm.
ever come with the request that, oh, I don't want SAP screens. I want my own screens. And if somebody would say such kind of things, there are so many charges. For example, I was in Porsche Middle East and they were saying that, Kalim, we don't have petty cache in our SAP. So we requested IBM because IBM implemented it. They requested 50,000 euro to implement petty cache in SAP. So see the request. Request came from the client. Implementation of petty cache in SAP. The amount is 50,000 euro. So whatever you may speak, and then SAP will tell you the cost, and then your company will say no. So he said, CFO said to me that we implemented for petty cache. Uh, there is a software QuickBooks. So we are maintaining QuickBooks with petty cache and rest of the things we are doing in SAP. I said that we have a setup of petty cache in SAP. I can write down you the complete path. You can speak with them. It is only one pager and you can negotiate with them. Okay. So
Correct.
whatever you are saying to the consultants which SAP does not has will cost you too much money. And since 2010, I am working. And companies does not want to spend 1 dirham only on your ERPs or etc.
So
because they
we
consider
don't have,
as call centers.
but a quick question with this discussion, that we don't have petty cash option in this when we
We
are
have, but
making
need to implement with ABAP module.
a BAP model. So FI guy cannot create this petty cache and all.
ओ भाई कर सकते हैं आप.
तो
See,
मतलब उस
everything is connected with each other thing. Okay, I would say that first go to the end user, whatever
हम्म,
is in SAP, practice with it, and then think about the next things. Because right now we are not finishing what we have, and we are thinking about the future, this, that, this, that. First of
but
all,
this
what
is
you have
like
to become an expert in.
layman's view, no? We are not there. So that's
Yeah,
why
first, so that is
I'm
why I am
wondering where
saying
we are
do not
leading.
think about more future. First of all, whatever SAP is giving you, become expert in it. Then come to the end user
Inshallah.
side. Then you will see that how to post a journal ledger document. Then you can think of that what kind of modification or value addition you can do.
Perfect. Perfect.
Okay,
Got
now
it.
1 minute is left. Just press enter and save, and then we can proceed with the next guy.
Great.
Go back one
Okay.
time.
Okay. After this,
Scroll down. Mhm.
maintain payment program
The same place.
3.3.
Go back there. Below one. Paying company codes.